Hey, so Chris with CKR, and we're out here at one of the commercial buildings that I was um, privileged to design and sell back in the day when SunPro Solar was still operating here in Florida. This is one of the few commercial systems that they ever installed. Um, Obviously, I've had a passion for solar for quite some time, and um, had the privilege of working with LG Electronics to offer their what was back then new bifacial modules. And these bifacial modules are ubiquitous now, but they are able to get the gain from the backside because there's no back sheet, right? There's a clear back sheet. Obviously, it's a white TPO roof, but this was so new back then that we actually ended up having to get the data from um, Brisbane in Australia because LG didn't have any data in this part of the world. In fact, I think this is the first system with those bifacial modules installed in Florida. And so we put it on the roof. We modeled it, and it's obviously working. Customer who has acquired this business has a $200 a month power bill, despite the size of the building. We have those running to 4 Fronius inverters. You can see we've got 2 here, right? And then we have our disconnect switch. The other 2 are around the corner. But basically just coming off the roof down into the inverters. It's a ballasted system, right? So there's no penetrations, and we're able to, angle the panels the optimum and, get that additional energy coming on the back. So CKR is really happy that this customer has reached out. SunPro Solar no longer around, but obviously I designed this, I sold it. So customer reached out, and we'll be looking after this system for him. It's regular maintenance, just making sure it's powered, everything's working properly. And then he's actually looking at doing some of his other businesses because this system does work so well. With the commercial tax credit not expiring, now's a great time to look at solar for your businesses because you can get 30% back in the form of a tax credit. Plus, there's some other incentives that we'd happily look at for you. But yeah, really nice system. It's a little bit older now, but even an older system is saving a ton of money, and we can put that custom design in, get the latest and greatest in technology and put it on your roof. And this system will last 25 years, which is the warranty on the modules plus. It's not like it gets to year 26, so still has another 15 years of life, to under warranty to continue to produce power and make a ton of energy.